Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Henry, and welcome back to the Coin Build channel, where we talk about personal finance, investing, crypto, real estate, and so much more, guys. Keep it locked on the channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Judo chop that like button. That really helps us out and the channel with the YouTube algorithm. So check it out, guys. What did I just get in the mail? I got the Robinhood cash management debit card. Whoop, whoop. This is so cool. Check this beautiful design out. Oh my goodness. America, baby. America. Look at that. Got the American flag looking fancy. So super excited about this. I just picked this up from the mail. Man, there was a long wait list for this thing, and I finally got it. But we're going to talk about Robinhood, what I love about Robinhood, why everybody should have a taxable brokerage account like what Robinhood offers, and then also this cash management account. Is this account for you? We're going to dive into that today and talk about Robinhood. So check it out. But here's what I love about Robinhood, man. They really came in as a fintech company and disrupted the space. What do I mean by that? Before Robinhood, brokerages, to do a stock trade, there was a commission fee for every trade that you do. So that's crazy to think about. So before Robinhood, it was websites like E-Trade or Scottrade, Fidelity, things like that. They would charge a commission every time you traded stocks, bonds, ETFs, whatever. Robinhood came in and said, you know what? We're going to get rid of commissions altogether. This is what I love about technology and fintech in general, disrupting the space, guys. That's what we're talking about. Now, it's interesting to know, did you guys ever think about Robinhood? The name is pretty clever, right? Because Robinhood stole from the rich to give to the poor. So this is kind of a little ironic that they got rid of commissions, and now all the big brokerages have zero commissions for the most part. Schwab, Fidelity, Vanguard, they all offer commission-free trading because of what Robinhood started. So this is their website here. And look what's prominently featured. It's time to do money. So they're actually talking about the cash management account right here. So great option here. Now, currently it's paying at the time of this video 1.8%. Now, is that the best rate out there? Absolutely not. Is it the worst? No. Is it worth it to have it? In my opinion, it's going to be worth it to have it because I want to earn interest on every dollar that I have, including money that's sitting ready to be invested. That's where this really comes in. So that's what I love about the cash management plan or the cash management account. 1.8%, it's going to beat your big banks like by far. So that's the greatest part about that. Your big banks are giving you like 0.1% maybe, right? 0.05. I mean, they're pretty crazy low at what they're paying you at the big banks. So Robinhood offering that 1.8%. So check it out. So here's kind of just a breakdown here. Commission-free trading. Now, it's a freemium model, so they're going to actually give you the option to kind of upgrade and go to Robinhood Gold is what they call it. That's a $5 a month. Gives you access to like better research, more information, margin trading, which I don't do. Personally, it's just a little too risky for me. But if you do that, that's perfect for that. You can also trade options. So here it is right here. Cash management, 1.8% currently. That's great. Now, am I going to use the debit card that they sent me? Probably not, to be honest with you. The cash management plan or account for me is just for earning interest on uninvested cash. All right. Now, stocks and funds, this is what Robinhood basically started out with as a brokerage, a commission-free brokerage offering commission-free trading. So this is the OG, right? This is what they started off with. Great product. I love it. I personally use it, right? It's a taxable brokerage account, so it's not an IRA, a Roth IRA. They don't offer any of these other options. It's just a straight taxable brokerage account, which I believe every person should have, right? So very simple. You can hit the link below for a free stock. You get one, I get one. It's a win-win situation there, and it helps out the channel so I can produce more content like this. So you can also do options if you want to basically short a stock, which means you're bearish on it. You're thinking that it's going to go down. Things like that. Here's Robinhood Gold. So essentially, access research reports. You can trade on margin, bigger deposits, things like that. $5 a month. And here's a newer thing, crypto. So everybody's jumping into the crypto space, guys. But here's why I say do not use Robinhood for crypto currently. The reason being, now the whole idea of crypto is obviously being decentralized. Robinhood is not decentralized. They theoretically could go under, right? And you would lose your funds, at least crypto. It's not backed or insured by anything. Now, you don't own your private keys with Robinhood. That's not as bad of a deal as the fact that you cannot withdraw your crypto. So let's say you purchase Bitcoin through Robinhood. At the time of this video, you cannot withdraw it to an external wallet. So that's the main reason why I would say do not use Robinhood for crypto currently. Now, I've read that they're working on external withdrawals. We'll see when that happens. But currently, I say don't use Robinhood for crypto. There's other good options out there for commission-free buying of crypto, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, etc. So don't do it, guys. That's a PSA for you. Do not use Robinhood for crypto at all. But that's what we're talking about, guys. So how do I personally use Robinhood? I invest with Robinhood. So long, I'm a buy and hold kind of investor. I like to buy companies that I'm bullish on and hold it for a long time and hopefully get that appreciation and or dividends or both, right? So that's the great thing about dividend investing and just investing in general with a Robinhood account. So that's how I use it personally. The 1.8% cash management account I'm going to use just to earn a little interest on uninvested cash while I'm waiting for opportunities to invest into. That's how I'm using personally Robinhood. I don't use Robinhood Gold. I'm not trading crypto on Robinhood, okay? They are making a spread, by the way, on crypto as well. So that's just yet another reason. I don't mind them using a spread as long as you know that they're making a little money on that, okay? But the OG Robinhood, man, disrupted the space. Like I said, love Robinhood in general. Lots of great stuff. So remember to hit up that description below and pick up that account for yourself if you don't have one already. Now, check it out. What else did I get in the mail today? What is this, guys? If you know what this is, look at this. It's fresh. Hasn't even been broken. But if you know what this is, go ahead and comment below and let me know if you know what this is. But we're going to have a video on this as well. I'm going to do a review on this. It's in the crypto space. That's a little clue, but I'm going to do a review on this, and I'm going to teach you how you can make up to 12% on your stable coins. That is wild. When even the Robinhood account is giving you 1.8%, you can make up to 12% on your stable coin, which is like USDC, USDT, DAI, things like that. Coins that are pegged to the dollar. That's what a stable coin is. But I can teach you how to make 12% on that. So definitely subscribe for that video. Thanks so much for watching this quick one, guys. We'll see you next time. Bam.